In this short tutorial, you will learn how to open YouTube on Chrome Android. When you tap a YouTube link, it opens in the YouTube app. This can be annoying if you prefer using the web version. Luckily, there is a quick and easy workaround to make this happen. What you want to do is find any YouTube link that you want to open in the Chrome web browser. Then instead of just tapping it, long press on the link. This means you need to hold your finger on the link until a menu appears. In this menu, look for these options. Open a new tab in Group. Open a new tab. Select one of these options. Once you do that, the link will open in Google Chrome instead of the YouTube app. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.